Aloha business owners. In the heart of our Hawaiian paradise, your commercial space is more than just a building. It's a reflection of your dedication and vision. At United Construction Group Hawaii, we specialize in crafting commercial spaces that embody the spirit of Aloha and the strength of our island heritage. Our comprehensive services guide you from initial planning through to the final touches, ensuring every detail aligns with your business aspirations. Our process begins with meticulous planning and site preparation, laying solid foundations, erecting sturdy frameworks, and seamlessly integrating essential utilities. We prioritize safety and adhere strictly to building codes, delivering spaces that are both functional and enduring. With a commitment to quality craftsmanship, we offer custom designs tailored to your unique needs. Embracing modern technologies and sustainable practices, we create efficient and environmentally responsible spaces that stand the test of time. Our proven track record includes successful projects for esteemed clients like Tesla, Buffalo Wild Wings, and various state of Hawaii departments, underscoring our dedication to excellence. Partner with United Construction Group Hawaii, where your business vision meets our building expertise. Let's create a space that not only serves your needs, but also honors the rich tapestry of our island home. Reach out to us and let's discuss your building plans.